Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you how Tesla is gonna go like around at least $700 to $800 within couple of years, and also it's gonna hit on this December 400, expecting maybe there's a huge chance it's gonna cross $400 in this December. Why? What are the reasons? So first of all, I will show you some proof here. Then I will give you some explanation what are the initiative they have taken. So I will explain you first the financial side of the company. First of all, if you see this in last couple of few days, last weeks, it was from 252 to it went up to $380. So which is almost we are heading towards by the end of this month it's gonna go. There is no reason Tesla's price gonna go down because they have done so many initiatives. What are the initiatives I will explain eventually in the later part of the video, but now I'm going to show you how the price is increasing and how it's going to go increase in future. So if you look at the 3 months, just 3 months, you see it's from the Yahoo, and from the Yahoo you can see it was 244 was the price. Now it went up to 388. Just 3 months. Can you imagine $150, around like 50% growth? Also, if you go for like 6 months, it was 225. Can you see the growth? It's going up. And if you go from 1 year, it went down for one time because of Elon Musk had some issue with some personal issue. Then also Elon Musk personal issue impact the Tesla. But if you go to the max, just see how great this company for investments. So in 2012 it was just $20. And now it's $400. Just imagine, just 5 years it went to 220 to 400. Just imagine, same thing after 2, 3, 4, 5 years. No, on those times Tesla was having events. Right now just it's building his market, but after a few months and few years, what's gonna happen you can imagine, because it started investing in lots of big projects. What are the projects I'll explain later part. And yeah, so in few years it's gonna grow, it's gonna have a huge boom. Just because of that, Tesla is gonna go huge up, like $600, $700, $800. So now I'm gonna show you the financial part and some future forecast of this company. Let's see. So you see how this company is growing. So in this growth, if the price is going, so it doesn't mean Tesla is gonna go this way. It's going up because it invested in gigantic big factories and stuff like this. So see, it was like 4 billion the revenue, then it increased to like then it increased to like 8 billion, almost double, then 7 billion. Yeah, then it increased to this part is it's 12 billion, and this part is it increased to 21.46. Did you see that, the growth? 4, then 7, then 11, then 21 billion, which is like a huge amount of growth in just few years, and this is increasing. So right now the analysis and recommendation by the stock like researcher is like you have to hold the stock now. There's no way it's gonna sell, and it's going to the positive towards. And what's the analysis? According to the analysis, what are the price right now? So it's an average price right now, and this is the current status, and the high price they're expecting, if the company work according to the plan, it's gonna go like 734. Did you see the expectation where it's going? And exactly this is how it's gonna grow, because there is no way it's gonna go back, because Tesla is doing some gigantic projects. And yeah, these are the reasons. So I'm gonna explain you more a little bit, because a little bit in-depth analysis I'm going to tell you a little bit, because I just want to know, like, if you want to invest it. For example, so earning history, how their earning is going to grow up. So these are the like earning is like they were negative on like few quarters, because they have been investing a big amount in 2020. Like the last quarter, their earning increased like 543%, which is crazy. And yeah, so in next year is gonna hit a huge amount of positive like bonus, and so many like big factory they're invested and stuff like this. And if you see the recommendation here, Oh, these are like the red means you have to sell. That's the recommendation, and orange is like you should like underperform bad. But it's see the day is going. It's the bottom side is going down and increase like this means this strong buy hold. You know, this part is increasing much mainly. So later part is gonna go increase like this way. So yeah, we can see that's how Tesla is gonna grow. And next part in the video, I'll explain you what are the things Tesla have done and doing, so and why they're gonna grow. Thanks for watching this part of the video. Let's continue. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about why Tesla stock is going to at least 400 within a couple of weeks. So, and Tesla is gonna end it up like just imagine a few years, 4 or 5 years back, Tesla was $25, and right now it's going to 400, and exactly this is going to happen again, and Tesla is going towards at least $600 to $800 minimum by couple of years, 2021. Why? What are the reason? Because Tesla, when started their operation, they had struggled a lot, but it's the gravy period for Tesla, because Tesla is already invested in big projects, and projects like huge gigantic project. They started their operations in China, and they know China is going to be the biggest market in electric vehicles, and also they have been set up their like permanent market in Norway, Sweden. Like if you go to like Norway, or somebody have posted, you will see a video like everywhere in the street is just Tesla. And definitely UK, US, Canada, France, Italy, like big country, they're having Tesla, and they already developed the physical structure for Tesla, for the charging station. And the most important thing, why Tesla price is gonna go up, because they are looking for the efficient manufacturing. They started their Gigafactory in China. What happens and how it will help them? Because why electric vehicle wasn't famous? Because the initial cost of production was so high, and that's why Elon Musk have made a plan. They have to make Gigafactory. What happens in Gigafactory? They will make lithium-ion battery, and lithium-ion battery, when they will go for mass production, the cost of price will go low, and when the price will go down, they will be able to offer like very cheap car when compared to like gas car. And when it will be gas car, and which also very environment friendly, and also the whole world is heading towards eco-friendly products, and Tesla also focusing on smart electric vehicle and very Porsche vehicle, very nice like smart vehicle and futuristic vehicle, not something like ugly vehicle in electric, no, not something like that, and very durable. It's now a prestige to have a Tesla right now. They build this psychology towards the world. Tesla is a prestigious company. And also they have announced they are going for Germany factory, Gigafactory. And why this Gigafactory will be a huge impact for Tesla? Because Tesla is making this Gigafactory in a gigantic, enormous factory. This factory will be, he also is planning, he's going for full automation. And what will happen if you go for full automation? There will be no human involvements, and like minimal human involvement, which will reduce the cost, because human cost in anywhere in the world is very expensive, so like anybody involved with human interaction, it's pretty expensive. So automation, there will be no interaction, there will be no cost. So that's the plan. And what will happen eventually, the demand of Tesla is growing, and the people having faith Tesla day by day increasing. Just now, I'm gonna tell you, it's it's not even in mature stage. It's not, just started. It's just growing. You never know where he's gonna stop. And an electric vehicle, just out of 200 countries in the world, it's just like 10, 15, 20 countries started the electric vehicle. So just imagine in a few years, when so many people in the world is looking for Tesla is going to be like the Lamborghini, Ferrari. The people who wanna, like, also they're making cost-effective product, like the people mid income people looking for a vehicle. They after building all the factory, they started the production. They used to produce like 500 car in a month. Now they're gonna make like 5,000 cars. Just imagine when they will have 4, 5, 6 Gigafactory. There will be an enormous production. They will have a huge capacity to produce a lot of cars all over the world. They will be able to supply. So yeah, and also they have, Elon Musk released a cyber truck, which is a like contradictory product, but like, yeah, so many people is not upset with this product, because yeah, it's something futuristic, and it's a very good product. It's like it's a very heavy product, and like, yeah. So yeah, Tesla is heading towards $800 for sure, and within this year it's gonna go. It's right now the highest peak time in like all time, and it's gonna go up. No, tell me what's the reason it's gonna go down. Give me a reason. So what do you think the price is gonna go recently, and what do you think about this Tesla? Just you can leave a comment. Thank you.